One of the most sought after and hyped shoes of 2022 was the Kobe Bryant 6 Protro Mambacita Sweet 16, and I have a pair right here that just came via the Nike Sneakers app, exclusive access. And I just want to give you guys like a little review of it, show you guys the sneaker, and I know some of you guys did get exclusive access and a lot of you guys got the L. But this sneaker is fire. I'm so happy I was able to get a W on that sneaker. Now starting out, you're going to get an all black box, and on the lid here you will get the Mamba logo with Kobe's signature. And there's not really a whole lot to the box, guys. It's pretty simple and basic. It's just all black. And the official size tag on this reads Kobe 6 Protro, and the colorway is just black and white. Now this is a personal pair, size 8. This is a sneaker that I will never ever get rid of. This will be in my collection forever. And guys, if you actually got a W on this, if you got this in your collection, I urge you just to hang on to this. You know what I mean? If you love Kobe Bryant, hang on to the sneaker. Even if you're somebody who's out there trying to sell it, I know prices have been high. They're starting to come down. But in the long term, this sneaker is going to be very, very expensive to come across. I don't think it's ever going to come back out. But, you know, who knows, guys, it could restock. When you flip the lid open, you're just going to get some simple white paper. Now, I was kind of confused about that because Vanessa Bryant did an unboxing on her Instagram before the sneaker released. And it had a little bit of, you know, more special packaging. The paper had the Mambasita stuff on it. Mambasita logo. And, you know, I thought that that's the way that it was going to come for the general public, but that's not the case here. You just get simple white tissue paper. And here's the first look, let's do this one, at the Kobe 6 Protro Mambasita. Bam! Now, one of the first things that has stood out to me since I took it out of the box is the extra laces that it comes with. I wasn't aware that it was going to come with extra laces, but it does come with a black pair of laces and a Nike lace bag, and it does have white tips, and the laces that come on the sneaker are white with black tips. So I mean, that's pretty cool. Nice little additional touch. You do get some extra laces, which is always a nice touch in my opinion. But this sneaker right here is very clean. This is a very dope sneaker. This is probably more wearable than the Kobe Grinches, you know, even though that's probably my favorite Kobe sneaker. You'll probably be able to put more outfits together and stuff like that with, you know, the sneaker right here. But, you know, overall, this is pretty dope in my opinion. On the back, you get the Kobe and Gigi. These came out on her 16th birthday, what would have been her 16th birthday. And you do get her number 2 that she wore. But, I mean, it's just a plain black and white sneaker. Here's a shot of the outsole. A nice shot of the tongue with the Kobe logo. Inside of the sneaker, you do get like that snakeskin kind of look to it. And then on the insole, it does say Mambasita with the Mambasita logo. I hope you guys are able to pick that up on camera. And these were very sought after. There was 93,000 pairs of these that released via exclusive access on the Nike Sneakers app. And there was a lot of L's out there. Prices were definitely going crazy. They're starting to come down now that people are getting their pairs in the mail. So if this was a sneaker that you missed out on, if you took an L, you know what I mean, definitely continue to monitor the aftermarket. You know, StockX, GOAT, eBay, places like that to see where prices are going to be pretty soon. Probably over the next week or so. Might be the best time to pick these up before prices start going back up. This is a sneaker that I will never ever get rid of. This is a straight grail, especially now. This was, you know, a sneaker that a lot of people didn't think would ever come back out because of the contract dispute between the Bryant estate and Nike, but these actually made it to the general public, which is pretty dope in my opinion. This is probably one of the sneakers of the year, if not sneaker of the year at this very moment. I know we got, you know, another 7 months to go, but this will probably make a lot of people's, you know, top 5, top 10 of 2022. At this moment right now, I would have to say that this might be sneaker of the year. You can let me know down in the comment section below how you feel about the Kobe 6 Mambasita. Were you able to pick these up? Did you guys take a W on these? Did you miss out? Or are you thinking about paying resale? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'd like to thank you all for your time. Thanks for stopping over here and checking out another one of my videos. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time here and you like sneaker content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the videos that I drop. And until next time,